हरिओम। तू जहाँ जहाँ भी होगा मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा। A beautiful Gita Bhagwan bhajan, which is a beautiful expression of faith, determination, and devotion. It's about a true devotee's state of mind, a Jnani Bhakt's state of mind, which represents unshakable determination or Atmanishchay, deep devotion to God in the form of a true Guru, as well as to the formless divine, Sakar and Nirakar, and an unwavering faith in God's divine presence within the devotee. It's a bhajan which is like a conversation between a devotee and their divine within, and an assurance by the devotee to themselves that no matter what situation they are in, the divine presence is always with them, within them. तू जहाँ जहाँ भी होगा मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय. Wherever you are, O Lord, my determination, my conviction that you are with me will always be there with me. My nishchay that I am a pure divine soul, one with you. I am the same divine as you, O Lord. Where God is, I am, and I am never separate from God. I was, is, and will always be one with God. As God Himself says, you are my form, you are that. You are Sat Chit Anand Swarup, truth, consciousness, bliss. So God and my soul are not two separate entities but one and the same entity. Divine presence is always within me, every moment of life. And this is my strong determination. This determination, this nischay is with me wherever I go with you, O Lord. तुम ही ने मुझको दी है ये खुशी की बादशाही, हर वक्त याद आती है बेगम की शहंशाही. तू अगर छिपा रहेगा मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय. You have given me the kingdom of eternal joy, O God. God, you appeared in the form of a true Guru, held my hand like a parent, helped me discover my true identity of a pure divine soul, and made me meet my divine within. And meeting the divine within is ultimate bliss, eternal peace. And this kingdom of bliss that I've got reminds me every moment of how royal my life has become, like the life of a queen or a princess, always united with God within me, who is the king of the entire universe, the creator, the sustainer, the destroyer, the ever-existing, omnipresent divine. So I am the creator of my life. I have the choice to make my life divine and make the most of this life to attain my life purpose, which is oneness with God, liberation from the birth-death cycle. And God, even if you are hidden in my heart or hidden in every part of this universe, I can still see you, clearly see you, and your divine presence in everyone, everything, everywhere. And this determination, this nischay is the cause of my bliss every moment. मैं अगर कहीं भी होती तो भी याद तू है प्रभु, एक पल भी रह न सकती तेरी याद बिन मैं प्रभु. चाहे जितना भी दूर हो तुम, मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय. Wherever I am, at any place, at every place, I feel your divine presence all the time. I don't have to remember you because I never forget you, O Lord. Each breath of mine feels your presence. Even in the most distant places or the most challenging circumstances, you are always with me, O God, and that gives me peace and equanimity. My connection with you is so unbreakable that I can feel oneness with you, and I have transcended time, distance, circumstances to experience this oneness. This determination, this conviction of my oneness with you stays with me wherever I am, howsoever far I am, and wherever you are, oh my God, I am always with you. इस जगत के हर जर्रे में तेरी शक्ति देखती हूँ, हर एक हृदय में तेरी भक्ति देखती हूँ. जो कदम कदम चलूँ मैं, मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय. I see your divine energy and power in every particle of this universe. All that is happening in this universe, in this bountiful nature, all that is happening through humans and other living beings is your divine energy, O God. The radiance of the sun is your energy. The flow in the water is your energy. The infinity in the sky is your energy. The endurance of Mother Earth is your energy. The chirping of birds is your energy. The warmth of the fire is your energy. The actions of humans are your energy. The virtues and qualities of humans are your energy. It's your divine energy and divine presence all the way in everything, everyone, everywhere. And this is what is sustaining the universe. I can only see you everywhere, see you in everything, and see you in everyone. I can feel the devotion for you in every heart. Some have discovered you, some are in the journey, and some will in due course. But every heart is in effect only craving to be one with you, knowingly or unknowingly. Every soul's origin and destination is you, O Lord, and therefore I can see devotion in each heart. Every step I take is with this determination of your omnipresence every moment. My determination, my nischay, my conviction that you are with me every moment is my way of expressing my oneness with you, my divine companionship with you. Such a beautiful bhajan on Atmanishchay and a deep sense of love and devotion towards the divine. Let us always stay in this state of deep determination, Nishchay, unwavering conviction and unshakable faith that God is within me, with me, the pure divine soul that I am, and I am not separate from God, not even for a single moment. Stay in divine bliss, stay in oneness with God, stay in your nischay, in your determination, stay in your natural state of being, eternal bliss, Sat Chit Anand Swarup. तू जहाँ जहाँ भी होगा मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय। तुम ही ने मुझको दी है ये खुशी की बादशाही, तुम ही ने मुझको दी है ये खुशी की बादशाही। हर वक्त याद आती है बेगम की शहनशाही, तू अगर छिपा रहेगा मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय। मैं अगर कहीं भी होती तो भी याद तू है प्रभु, मैं अगर कहीं भी होती तो भी याद तू है प्रभु, एक पल भी रह न सकती तेरी याद बिन में प्रभु, चाहे जितना भी दूर हो तुम मेरा निश्चय साथ हो। इस जगत के हर जर्रे में तेरी शक्ति देखती हूँ। इस जगत के हर जर्रे में तेरी शक्ति देखती हूँ। हर एक के हृदय में तेरी भक्ति देखती हूँ। जो कदम कदम चलूं मैं, मेरा निश्चय साथ होगा। मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय, मेरा निश्चय। तू जहाँ जहाँ भी होगा, मेरा